biakamal ener malaken yam kana diala kontilian kalera gwatame bana jome bana jaling ene biakamal ka no online tv ano ken yam kan kono nyam bana rache ka kwi kore dane chitok buga sha bong no gwatame ano goro jeno bejen waka yekel na me eler mishalat ko dong de jangach kata dana chi kore togaje wude me honorable palmai ano honorable palmai te ga jom chalat gwasame rege dane chitu ko je condemn rege chitu ka fanga banje chu linkel ka do badane chitu ka ja nika jen pai die je dan changwal jo ka pai die ano ne kondial re which can you fanga chana ngaje no shenkan gwan mala ka bokani shangten ano win me ta kamala wal antama nakanen warten ano kanaka ka karenial mala buga kanishang buga ka karenial buga ka chemical weapon SSPDF no la chuberadian mena joma mena jeling. Since May 13, 2025, the people of New Fangak have been living under fire. A once peaceful region is now facing a deadly onslaught, airstrike, barrel bomb, and chemical weapon raining down from above, but the world remains silent. Wanika Gwasidan, Major Kormeja Tuong Nika Twin Nika Jana Chanka World Jokomoka Pai Chikuma SSPD Abla Kuma Jan Kum Kima Yadit. She can use ni gunship antinop nakaneti kon la Nuer which in winemi. Ano. Kore me tuoka kam Nueri gwaze cha Agwelek militia kene SSPDF cha kalwak ji Uganda Air Force gwade dan chu kana ono bike New Fangak bikene kef KSPLIO dungdo no mo cha bikene lo shi conflict ke shi ter shone kan ko nakane Nuer chana jo mailing. This all began when Agwelek militia backed by foreign military air power allegedly, including the Uganda Air Force, captured New Fangak from SPLIO forces. What followed was not just a conflict between soldiers, but a war on civilian. Kashanga jandanga widongwan kakure dana shituokten. Che Ugandan Air Force alade nekian. Chukena renyal chukena jak. Ano shanga jandanga widongwan gwadame kajan pai diejame alapan. Chuji Uganda ala SSPDF ke UPDF chuken helicopter yukena jaka Koat-Nyakoang. And gwadame chuken Nuer chuken koubok. Ano alanet dialato tin kone a book eken dej kirmayadit kene de tele la match tele la dwor mu dongde ken kum kirmayadit de ken kul bogaje banne ken civilian ba name ame bej long mishala do chor lat ko gur ke jeno de jakap chong chana jemeling gwata menyok. On May 24th, Ugandan Air Force drove bomb on Koat-Nyakoang, targeting civilian indiscriminately. These were not just ordinary bomb. Eyewitness and survivor described barrel bomb laced with incendiary chemical, burning everything in their path, including innocent men, women, and children, which the international community also condemned. Anjo mushikene me lingyene me nakan Nueri nakan kamane gat terampel kene na me mijiagalong chiemogwa ken titi shalate kirme yadit awaken ketijek awaken kadwer pin international law ngure ala international law no cha civilian cha ga target South Sudan government ku ken civilian ku ken ka target ke jewoj ka can use can chemical weapon no mo mijek bojan cha ala watati kadwer to cha look ku men dir la international community chana jome men yok melin kone. These actions are not only moral, they are crime. Under international law, the deliberate targeting of civilian and use of chemical weapon are war crime and crime against humanity. Jowo me mlado charan chaja de bo gwadan teten che chong. Charan chaja de na gwadan teten. Do no let kirma yadi de. South Sudan president gwada me china kula shoot shalka ji international community ala ji United States we dialan kontin dier ke tignat eno de kana me de kan tara de kana gor de ka Ramadan bong nuääri ke new Fangak kol Fangak de kana kap kongot en men dinijen de kan choje chui kana de kana kapchong chaje kula lar gwada me nena we are calling on the international community to act, to investigate, to hold perpetrator accountable, and most importantly, to stop the suffering. Or they can liya dir me they can capture. Kon chikon bibet. Gurjano bana right ke Queen Fangak. Ko bana mela chuang ban je kulalat. Ko bana mela dwer ban je kulalat. Ka bana mela chuang ba bana jalat. Bukona bana kalate konten lat karodian. Bana dwira kone lat kare duaran bana ke report ke bana kalat. Ko bikon chonkel jen dobrana bana tijekte tira lat ke me kirma yadit bana kalat winmon ko ba kuleling. Chajo kwen gwat menena. We must not stay silent. We must speak for new Fangak. We will prevail justice for new Fangak, spread awareness, report war crime, stand in solidarity. Wa na chunkel Rerington kond lat karodian ka new Fangak. Dwer dan lat ke kirma yadid lat ke ne diala no kirma yadid la dwer. Jen dobu danan ban justice ban jenonga jere dwaran kone kon shal ken nuääri. Name jenana shagor wude me mishalka me pal mai chilode je kata danan chalat SLPDF kan UPDF against civilian in new Fangak in Nuer community. Gwade sha Nuer community shakele belono take 9 hostile counties eke 7 friendly counties kanwari me cha condemn me wa lade chalade kirma yadit ki me sha lade kenen wo ku kan wer ku kan ka dak wana me teleje ka constitution ke kanwot ni chane goro no bana peace bana je biol be peace be prevail railway dan ka bana buga shenga gwa ba Ramadan len mi shodo lot bay jogono me lede momi jiak ba yen ka dwere ke ba kap ka dwere ajan jowdana gode nyoga yekel biate ka mal